Hey, in front of me is OPPO A95 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access battery section. Now scroll all the way down and choose more settings. Following that, tap on the gray switcher next to high performance mode to activate it. And confirm your choice by tapping on OK in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, high performance is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!